Jai Swaminarayan. Today we are going to start with our grammar part and essay 2 portion. So this is the first chapter in your essay 2 from the fresh of the portion. Index chapter 11, that is punctuation. Right? What are punctuation? Punctuation help us to know the things where the question is there, where the sentence is getting end. ये सारे punctuation के marks हैं. First is full stop. Second is comma. If you see comma and apostrophe, you might look similar. These both look similar. आपको ये दोनों same लग रहे होंगे, but no, they are not. ये आपके line में यहाँ पे आता है. This is your line, suppose in your notebook. ये यहाँ पे आएगा, and here is your line. वो ऊपर आएगा. Understood? I'll explain you how it is used. Next is question mark. Everybody knows what is a question mark, right? When a question is asked by question mark, आप बिना देखे sentence को you can say it is a question. Why? Because at the end of the sentence question mark is been put. Question mark put किया है, बिना sentence को पढ़े आप बता सकते हो ना ये question mark है. How? Because you see question mark at the end of the sentence. That is how. Next is exclamation mark. Exclamation means what? Exclamation means anything which is exaggerated or anything जो बढ़ चढ़ के बोली गई है. Got it? Like excitement, shock. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. When I say oh wow, तो मैंने बहुत ही अचानक मेरे सामने कुछ आया. I will exaggerate, no? I will explain my feelings. जहाँ पे feelings आती हैं, right? It is oh wow, this is so pretty. Normally भी बोल सकते हैं this is so pretty, but in normal days if you see daily you will say this is pretty. But अचानक आप कोई जगह पे गए और वहाँ पे आपको कुछ अच्छा दिख जाए तो oh wow निकलना normal है, right? Oh wow, this is so pretty. Walha, yes I got pass. Yes my result is this. Whatever you word which comes out of your mouth when you are excited, that word, because of that word, the statement or the sentence will become exclamatory sentence. What sentence? Exclamatory sentence. And in that, exclamation mark will be there. It looks like opposite eye, ulta eye जैसा दिखता है, upside down eye. That is your exclamation mark. Next is apostrophe. You must have seen in writing parts of English and many other subjects, apostrophe. You write this. Many times you write Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September. You write this. This is your apostrophe. What is this? This is your apostrophe. What is apostrophe? This upside apostrophe sign means ये हम कहाँ लगाते हैं? This is mostly put when you have to show mine or possession. What does possession means? Possessive nature. This is mine pouch. This pouch is mine. Got it? मेरा है, उनका है, yours. I said yours, theirs. ऐसा है ना पीछे. When you show the possession of the person, possession of the object, that time this come into the picture, that is apostrophe S. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September. Children's Day, कभी भी children के पीछे S नहीं लगता. Why? Because children word itself is the plural. Right? Boy है तो boys we say in the plural. We add S, that is a normal S. But child is a singular and children is a plural. तो उसके पीछे S नहीं लगता है. Children's is wrong English. But when apostrophe S, children apostrophe S, day is celebrated on 14th of November. That is the correct English. लेकिन अगर आप ऐसे लिखोगे, आप normally teachers लिखोगे, that is okay. लेकिन इन दोनों का फर्क क्या है? ये as teachers and this teacher, what is the difference? ये teacher यानी बहुत सारी teachers. Understand the difference of S in both. दोनों में S है. I have added in teacher S at the end here and at the end here also. What is the difference? And what apostrophe makes difference is these teachers will become plural. Right? These teachers will become plural and these teachers यानी आप कह रहे हो this pouch is teacher's pouch, teacher's chair, teacher's chalk, teacher's bag, whatever. Got it? तब ये आपका apostrophe s comes here. Difference समझना है आपको. This s and this s. Got it? Boys are shouting. That is a plural s. That is a plural s. Right? When this comes, apostrophe s means वो किसी का है. Understood? Whatever name is there before apostrophe s, it is that person's thing. It is that person's object. Apostrophe and next is capital. That is very important. This point should come on the top. Right? आपको पता नहीं है. You people study in 3rd standard. When I check your papers, when I check your notebooks, you people don't understand what to write. Always this is a very basic common thing from nursery, junior, senior. All the teachers are teaching you your answer, your question or whatever sentence you start, it should start with capital letter. Right or wrong? Right. Teachers are saying you or not?
Yes.
So every sentence should start with the capital and again this is the basic rule. And what is the advanced rule? Everybody knows that also. You know proper noun? What are proper noun? What are proper noun? The noun which has own identification. Normal noun, it is animal, it is person, it is this. There are so many teachers in the school. There are so many teachers in the school. Teacher is a common noun. When you say Jayashree teacher, it becomes a proper noun because you have taken the name. The proper name of person, place, animal, thing is the proper noun. And when proper noun is there in the sentence, in a question, in any statement, that word should start with capital. That word should start with capital. If you take my name, if you take anybody's name here, I study in Swaminarayan School. Swaminarayan School is the proper noun. बहुत सारे schools हैं. There are so many hundreds and thousands of schools in the world, in the India, in the world, right? But what you are saying, you are giving the proper idea to person whom you are talking that I study here. इतने सारे schools हैं, लेकिन मैं स्वामीनारायण में पढ़ता हूँ. Right? When you are talking, you are giving a proper idea that I am studying here. Right? I am studying in Swaminarayan School. It is a proper name. किसी को भी आप बोलोगे तो पता चलेगा ना स्वामीनारायण स्कूल कहाँ है या in which school you study. So S of Swaminarayan School should be capital. Right? You always write your name in the paper, in the notebook, capital. Have you noticed that? आप लोग आपके नाम आपके notebook में पेपर में capitals में लिखते हैं. Right? Why? Because it is the proper noun. कितने हर्द हैं? कितनी हितिक्षा है? है यहाँ पे ज़्यादा? नहीं है. And if there also, there must be some changes. But it is a proper noun. Right? So always remember the name of any person, place, animal, thing, dog I say. I have a dog. Dog is a common noun. कितने सारे dogs होते हैं? Right? I have a dog. Dog is a common noun. But if I say my dog name is Moti, M of Moti will be capital because it is the name of the dog. How many Motis are there? No one, na? Right?
Yes.
So, same way, the proper noun should be capital. The starting of the sentence, the statement should be capital. Again, I am repeating it once. Full stop. Always it is a sentence. At the end of the sentence, you should put full stop mark. Right? When it is a sentence, remember what I am saying. When it is a sentence, your sentence always should end with full stop. Again, next, comma. Where we use comma? When I have to say, when I am adding multiple things in my sentence, that time I am adding comma. एक से ज़्यादा चीजें जब मैं बता रही हूँ मेरे sentence में, I am carrying book, bag, water bottle, an apple. I am carrying books, compass box, mask, water bottle in my bag. मैं ये सब कैरी कर रही हूँ, मेरे बैग में ये सब है. So while putting all this name, in between I will put commas. When more than two things, अगर दो चीजें हैं तो I will use and. I have red and blue pencil. दो चीजों के लिए यूज नहीं होता है comma. Never use between two things comma. Right? When I say I am having red and blue pencil, so only two. More than two things are there in something, or you are putting in the sentence, that time you will put commas. Understood?
Yes.
Next, question mark. I have made you clear. When there is a question, WH type word in the sentence. Now we have also learned not only WH, there are so many other types which are having question mark. Is it raining? इसमें कोई WH word नहीं था. There was not what, where, who, how, which, when, कुछ भी नहीं था. But still it is a question. Is it raining? मैं आपको पूछ रही हूँ, क्या बारिश हो रही है? Is it a sunny day today? It is a question, right? So not I will stop here, or not I will make you that in your head that WH are only question. No. But yes, WH word if you see, then that is make sure that is surely it is a question. But other than WH type also there are so many other questions. Exclamation mark, your feelings, out of feeling, any word which come out of your mouth is your expression. When you express your expressions or feelings, that becomes your exclamation mark, right? Next is apostrophe. I made you clear very nicely that what is apostrophe. When you have to show possession or my thing or yours thing or whoever's thing, that time I will use apostrophe. Lastly, capitals, we have cleared it, right? I hope this topic is understood with you all, and practice it properly. In the next class, we will start with the notebook exercise and other things.